I'm going to launch the लॉकडाउन सीरीज, जिसका मतलब ये है कि जो स्टूडेंट्स लॉकडाउन की वजह से घर पर बैठे हुए हैं and they are not able to practice IELTS, so to help you spend the next 2 weeks positively and prudently, I have started this course. इस कोर्स को डेफिनेटली आप अभी परचेज कर सकते हो। इसके लिए आपको IELTS कोचिंग एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करनी है। इफ यू आर एन एंड्रॉइड यूजर, Apple users को ClassPlus application download करनी है, and then they have to enter the ORG code, which would be IELTS. Once you are at the home screen, you need to click on the store option जहां पर मेरे सारे courses available हैं, and there you will find this IELTS lockdown series. ये कोर्स आपको परचेज करना है, अवेलेबल है एट ओनली 1000 रुपीज। यहाँ पर ओनली 1000 पे करके आप ये 2 वीक का कोर्स हमारे साथ ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। वीकडेज में आपके क्लासेस रहेंगे जिसमें मैं आपके साथ एक रीडिंग पैसेज शेयर किया करूंगा that you have to do on your end, and next session में हम उसकी डिस्कशन किया करेंगे। Obviously it would include the strategies and discussions of that particular reading. Then if we talk about the speaking, I will be sharing one speaking test each day with you, and that would be completely solved with answers. हमारे इस एप्लीकेशन पे एक और ऑप्शन रहेगा, जो भी स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन करेंगे उनका एक चैट ग्रुप बनेगा, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू talk to each other. You will be able to chat with each other. And here I really appreciate the students to find partners for one-on-one interaction. यहाँ पर आप अपने एक दूसरे के साथ कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर कर सकते हैं। देन यहाँ पर आप एक दूसरे के साथ टेलीफोनिक कॉल्स पे स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस कर पाएंगे। देन writing, obviously, there is task 1 and task 2, and in each session I will discuss one task with you. I'll give you the reasonable ideas and structure, how to present the task, and in the next session, obviously, I will share the sample answers with you. Finally, in the listening, you have to attempt one test every day, and that too would be available in the application only. You guys can share your performance with others in the group and see where you stand. This course is really going to help you, the novice students, the beginners, as well as those who already have the experience of IELTS. It will really help you to remain in touch with your IELTS practice. At the same time, learn with me. I hope you will take benefit of this course. The price is very reasonable, only 1000 rupees. If you want to make best of this course, try to buy it as soon as possible.